Welcome to the future of design with Sivi, an AI platform revolutionizing the way we create visuals. Based in Bangalore, Sivi simplifies the design process, enabling users to instantly generate ads, social posts, product banners, profile covers, and more in multiple languages. Creating compelling visions isn't everyone's forte. That's why Sivi was built, to bridge the gap and make professional design accessible to everyone. Started in 2019 by Sona J and Ram Ganeshan, Sivi lets users input their message to generate multiple AI design options. These designs can be used as is or fine-tuned manually. Ram, a computer science engineer, began his AI journey at Samsung working on NLP and machine learning projects. Sona, a BTech gold medalist with over 14 years of experience in design, joined him to start Sivi after realizing the wide gap in AI models for customizable design. They built custom foundation models for layered design generation, preparing unique structured design dataset to solve the challenges of customizable design generation. They designed Sivi on two pillars, the atomic design methodology and the human-in-the-loop approach. Users provide the building block and Sivi composes the design from scratch just like a designer would. Unlike other AI models like Midjourney or DALL-E, Sivi model is trained on design composition, allowing users to manipulate any object within a design. Sivi stands out by creating objects on the go and ensuring no two layouts are the same. Users can easily change any aspect of the layout they dislike. They faced challenges in achieving these and had to create an AI model from scratch due to the limited structural data available for such projects. With a 12-member team, Sivi launched a Gen 2 to make design much catchier, aiming to match 65% of professional design templates. Their plan is to develop Sivi Gen 3, a more powerful model that can achieve up to 90% of professional design standards. Sivi supports over 72 languages, including 17 Indian languages, making it a powerful tool for generating designs at scale while maintaining brand consistency. With users over 140 countries, Sivi has generated over 250,000 designs, catering to digital advertising agencies, e-commerce firms, and more. While Sivi competes with Sydney-based Canva, it offers a unique approach. Canvas relies on vast repository of objects, fonts, and images, along with powerful editing tools. In contrast, Sivi creates objects on the go, ensuring each layout is unique and easily customizable. They are operating in a 45 billion graphic design market, targeting 60 million users with Sivi Gen 2. Enjoy the video, the YouTube algorithm loves it when you hit the like button. For more AI content, subscribe to CodeSpace. Want to learn more about us? Click the link in the comment section. Thanks, see you again, stay curious.